Your memorable Valentine's Day outing in the Los Angeles area. Here's a plan for a memorable Valentine's Day outing in the Los Angeles area. Breakfast at a charming cafe. Start your Valentine's Day with a cozy breakfast at a charming cafe. Consider places like Squirrel in Silver Lake for their famous ricotta toast or Republic Inn. Mid-Wilshire for a decadent pastry selection. Explore Griffith Park. Head to Griffith Park for a romantic morning hike or leisurely stroll. Enjoy breathtaking views of the city skyline and the iconic Griffith Observatory. You can also visit the beautiful Ferndale Nature Trail for a serene nature walk. Visit the Getty Center. Spend the afternoon exploring art and culture at the Getty Center. Admire world-class art collections, stroll through lush gardens, and enjoy panoramic views of Los Angeles from the hilltop location. Lunch at a trendy restaurant. After your museum visit, enjoy a leisurely lunch at a trendy restaurant. Consider options like Grand Central Market in downtown LA for various food vendors or Republic for a French-inspired lunch experience. Relax at a spa. Treat yourselves to a relaxing couples massage or spa at one of LA's top spas. Unwind together and indulge in some well-deserved pampering at a luxurious spa like the Ritz-Carlton Spa in downtown LA or the Peninsula Spa in Beverly Hills. Sunset at Santa Monica Pier. Head to Santa Monica Pier in the late afternoon to catch a beautiful sunset over the Pacific Ocean. Take a romantic stroll along the pier, enjoy the ocean breeze, and perhaps even ride the iconic Ferris wheel together. Dinner at a romantic restaurant. Finish off your Valentine's Day with a romantic dinner at one of LA's finest restaurants. Reserve a table at a cozy Italian trattoria like Osteria Mazza in Hollywood or indulge in a seafood feast at Providence in Mid-Wilshire. Enjoy dessert at a sweet spot. End your evening on a sweet note with dessert at a charming dessert spot. Consider places like Milk Bar in Mid-Wilshire for their famous desserts or Bottega Louie in downtown LA for exquisite pastries and macarons. Remember to make reservations in advance, especially for dining and spa experiences, as Valentine's Day can be a busy time in Los Angeles. Enjoy your romantic day out in the vibrant city. We are committed to producing videos and vlogs that cater to your interests. If you are looking for the blog or PDF associated with this video, please let us know in the comments below. Explore our websites, New Beginning and My New Beginning, representing the digital enterprises that have afforded us the financial freedom to pursue our travel aspirations. You can become our affiliate and earn 50% commission. newbeginning.com/affiliate program. Our resources, specifically crafted for the growth of solo entrepreneurial ventures, can help you achieve similar success if you aim to develop your solopreneurship. Our course package that proved $4,000 revenue in a week is now available as a PLR at 90% off for you to grab and start making money immediately. DIY or DFY settings for PLR are available for your quick start success. Visit Supats for a collection of travel vlogs and blogs centered around mindset and spirituality. Inform us of your preferences, and we'll make dedicated efforts to create the resources you're looking for. Thank you, and may you be blessed abundantly.